Hey guys, so in this video what we're going to be doing is assembling the front caster wheel for the Wi-Fi Wheeler. Okay, so I have my parts here. Let's go ahead and start putting the wheel together. So we have this, the actual wheel, and then we have the rubber tire here. So let's just go ahead and put it around. You just kind of put it in the groove and then pull the rubber back a little bit, and then we're good there. Okay. Nice and easy. Then we're going to take the smallest shaft we have. It's a 2 centimeter shaft, and go through the center hole. Okay. All these are snug fits, so we're going to just take it, get it started, and then I like to push this against the table until it comes through. See, it's coming through, and then we are pretty much centered. Looks pretty good. And then let's just make sure we keep it in place. So we're going to take these yellow orange rings here and just center it up, push it in until it hits the wheel. Okay, there's one, and there is two. Okay, and we're still centered, and that looks good. All right, so we're going to put that to the side. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is going to attach the mount for this wheel here. Okay, so we're going to take this, we got two of these, and we're going to connect it like so. You see this hole right here? It's going to fit there. And then take the other one and also fit there. And I realized I just called it a caster wheel. It's not going to be a caster. Caster wheels will turn 360. This does not turn 360. It's like a wheelbarrow wheel on the front that just stays straight. Okay, just wanted to correct myself there. All right, so once we have that, then you're going to have these two smaller pieces. These will snap into here and here to keep it in place. So here's one. Okay. And then here's another one. Okay, let's make sure it kind of snaps. There we go. All right, that's pretty good. Now this is pretty solid, but what we want to do now is screw it in. So we have these 4 screws here, and they're going to go into, you see this slot here? There's 4 of these little slots, and it's going to go through the hole on top. All right, we have our little screwdriver that we put in the kits, and let's take our 4 screws. Just put one in there, and then we just screw it in. Righty tighty, and we just, you'll see it's coming through the slot there. Right, you just go until it goes all the way through the slot. Boom. All right, let me just do the other 2 as well. And what I like to do, some people like to speed up their videos. I don't like to, because I like my students and my fellow builders to see the actual process. If you want to speed up the video, you can go ahead and do that yourself if you would like, but I'm going to show the whole process here. All right, so we got 3, and then we have a 4th one. Okay, it's looking good. So once these screws are in, it helps keep those 2 panels on top and bottom, this one in place, and so nice and solid. Now we have one more of these rods. Okay, this rod here goes into here like so. All right, and then what we want to do is we want a little bit sticking out, like it's not off. We don't want it centered. Centered would be like this, but kind of like up like this. All right. And I don't know why I'm going crazy today. This actually is a caster wheel. It will rotate. I'm putting in this shaft, this rod right here, which is going to be where this wheel is rotating around. So it will rotate. I don't know why I keep going back and forth. So it is a caster wheel. Apologies for all the back and forth. All right, so let's go ahead and put our orange one here. Again, we want it just like a little bit on this side. That's good, and then a little bit more on that side. Almost done. And we are good to go. Okay, so it should look something like this. Let me just slowly rotate it. You can see all the angles and what it looks like so. All right, the next step is we're gonna attach this to our main chassis.